I become a better. I become a better.
I just got this room to shoot my content, so let me show you guys around the room. Look at the bed. And yeah, some of the brand products I'll be shooting are here, and I'm already setting like my tripod stand because very soon I'll be shooting. And look at me here, guys. Like, I mean, the builds behind the camera. Yes. Let me show you guys my favorite bath. Oh my god, look at the bathroom, guys. It has a bath, guys. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. Yes. So that's the end of my room tour for you guys. So it's time to shoot, guys. I want to start makeup now. I'll start shooting too. So catch you guys. See you guys when I'm done with my makeup. So I finished my makeup a while ago, and I've been shooting. I just finished one real con. Hey guys, so I did not finish my vlog yesterday because I was really tired. Finally done packing and leaving. I missed the room actually. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to a big sister's event. She's opening a new store in Lagos, and yes, come along with me guys. Let's go. Today I have a shoot with my friends, and yes, I'm heading there now.
Oh girl, you're shining. You know you're my dad.
Hey baby.
Hi boo.
So we're shooting today.
Yeah, and before we shoot, we're trying to eat. So
Yes,
so
you
I'm
know,
having this.
anything that happens in life, remember to what? Eat first. Hey Abby, I gave you my gum. I think we should take everything. Are you
Take each other, high five, high five.
high five now? What are you saying though? You look good, bruv. You look good, bruv. Okay, okay, bruv. And that's like Esmeralda at the back. Ask me, baby. Oh, it's the waist for me, baby. Oh my god, baby, it's so cute. Okay, so we've got cheese in one name. Odogu. Can you call dinner? Oh shit. Fine boy girl. Woo, we love you. Okay. Okay. Hey love, it's another day on our weekly vlog. I know I've not been consistent with my weekly vlogs, but I don't know, I'm not 100% settled yet. I'm still out on scene and all of that. And by the way, it's no lashes day. Hope I look cute still though. Yeah, so I'm meeting up with Doing. We're shooting some content, and afterwards I'll be going to like check a couple of buildings, a couple of properties. Yes, that's the correct word. Yeah, so come along with me guys. And so today I'll be going to Benin today. I have like an event on my way right now, and it feels as if though your girl is running late, and I just hope I don't miss my flight. I just hope and pray I don't miss my flight. So yeah, I'm on my way right now. So yeah, wearing Stack Luxury. Yes.
When you come out in any beautiful outfits, we give you
Hey guys, so I go back earlier and I just finished my makeup now. I'm about to tie my headgear. I have like 3 events today, and yes, that is it basically. Hey guys, it's about to be a long night, so I have like 3 places to be tonight and I don't want to miss out on anything. I've actually had my makeup done earlier. I showed you guys a clip and I did my hair myself actually. I mean, look at that build. So I'm going to, like, my first appearance today is like a store opening. I'm going to take you guys through it. Then secondly, I'm going to a movie premiere by Tony Abraham, and thirdly I'm going for a big paps opening. So guys, come along with me. Hey guys.
Hi, boo.
So Doya and I just got to Papayah's party. We just left Tonya Imako's movie premiere. We're not able to wait to see the movie because we're coming for another event, and we just got here. But we're not staying here for so long because it's late already.
It's an invite, so
yes,
we just had to honor the invite.
yes, and this is just us keeping to our words. So guys, look at Doya. Doya is looking really pretty doing this.
You too, baby.
Thanks, my
You
darling. Okay, so we're looking for somewhere to park now. Hey guys.
Hi.
So we just finished.
Papayah's event.
Yes.
Oh my god, we couldn't even stay there for long. We stayed there for about 15 minutes. I think.
Swear,
Yeah.
we're like really
exhausted.
Yeah.
We're just coming from somewhere.
Yeah, so we just wanted to say
Good night, guys.
see you guys tomorrow. I love you.
Of course it will. Victor, once you kidnap me, my father will say,
Your father will get.
Okay. Hey baby. Woo! Hey Nobs.
You.
Only one Nobs of Lagos.
Because I don't have South African visa.
What's up? I want you to dance with somebody. Thank you. I just want to you. I'm really conversation. I'm coming to this. So guys, it's time to go fuel on it. And Alison doesn't want to leave me stranded. She's such a sweet baby. Oh,
Like, let me follow you. Say, in case they stop us, some of us will fight.
I love you, baby.
We're fighters.
Okay, so we're going now. Hey loves, and today's the 23rd of December. Merry Christmas. Yes guys, I've been so stressed. I shot all day today. Like, you can, if you look at my eyes, see how red my eyes are. All my nails are gone. They're pressed on though. I'll just like do another one. I didn't have time to do the normal acrylic one. Yeah, so guys, my December has been as clean as only as anything, but it's time to dirty my December. I mean, I've been shooting and I was out hunting the other day. So yeah, so I'm out tonight for Ashake's show. I just got into a hotel. Like, everywhere is packed. I'm looking for where to park right now and then go inside. Yeah, so guys, come along with me. Let's go have fun. Although Beauty called me that Ashake is performing already, sadly, because I was trying to go get fuel. It's so crazy, honestly, because these days there's scarcity, so I was still not able to get fuel. But let's go pack and have fun, because it's about to be fun tonight. It's about to be elite. And afterwards, Messi AK invited me to Bayrock party stuff that she has. So yes, it's gonna be a back-to-back night. So let's have fun. I'm actually driving, that's why I'm not paying so much attention. So guys, so sad I missed the concert. At least if you cannot go for the concert, let me give you guys aesthetics. Christmas aesthetics. I see people actually coming out already of the concert I was supposed to go for, but I couldn't go. So sad. So sad, guys. I'm already in a hotel and I missed the concert. Hey baby. Ooh, you look so cute though. It's like morning. What's the time? 4 a.m. guys. Yes, we have. So guys, come along with us. Let's go. Oh my choke. It's crazy. last night, your God! That is never no pass it. I swear to God, we're outside till like 7 a.m. You can't beat that, bitches. So this moment is pure gold, 24 karat gold. Yes, because there's fuel scarcity, and yes, I got myself into the station finally. Hey Yvonne, woo! You look so beautiful. Hey loves, it's the 24th of December, the popular Christmas Eve. Today, like, I just needed to rest because I was really exhausted from last night's party. I had fun yesterday. So today I've just been resting, but today is like my big sister's birthday. You know how people are, that you've just become related by just being good people. Like, I mean, yes. So, but the only problem now is that we're supposed to go on a boat cruise, and it's already past 9 and there's a curfew on the boat. I don't know if you're still gonna get a boat. I think she left already, but yeah. But right now, let's support Yvonne. They're yet to. She's as well a member of the Mo team. Yes, baby. They've really not started yet, but I mean, I told her that whatever I meet, I'm still gonna pull up. Like, I mean, you're my G, I have to pull up for you, and I mean, support you the way I can. So yeah, right now, I'll just put a call through to the WhatsApp for the party, and if we do not get a boat, sadly, like, I'll be really, really sad about it. But regardless, shout out to Kick Stylish. I love you, sis. Love you, love you, love you so much. Today's her birthday. She's the one I was referring to. Yeah, so if I get a boat, I mean, you guys are going to see clips because it's going to be a lit party. But if not, I'll be so sad. Wow, thank you. So this gift is from Gadgetify. Whoa. Hey loves, it's finally Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to you all. It's the 25th of December and I'm really excited to be chatting with you guys on Christmas Day. Hope you're having a fabulous Christmas. Hope you're enjoying yourself wherever you are, because I mean, your girl is out here to enjoy herself too. Yeah, so I'm launching this hotel to like just chill and just enjoy myself for Christmas. Sadly, let me not say sadly, but where I really wanted to get was sold out by the time, because guys, sometimes I can be a last minute person, and yeah, when I was ready to like book my hotel, everywhere was sold out. It was so hard to get this hotel, but I'm glad I got one. So guys, so I'm here right now. I mean, just trying to settle in, and I'll be going to the poolside very soon to like just go and swim. I just want to have fun. Girls want to have fun on Christmas Day. So guys, let me show you what I've got here. So the first brand that signed me after BBN actually sent me this gift. I got it not long ago and I'm so excited. Like, I mean, it's a full ampere. It has everything in it. Thank you so much, Gadgetify, for my gift. And I mean, I got stuff to eat from Ebanor and food too. It has to be choked because it's Christmas. I'll do a proper unboxing for this later. And I got myself this hair for Christmas. I did not just get it though, but I just felt like to serve the purpose. When I'm wearing this hair, I'll show you guys. So guys, just ride with me.